Hi there. Are you forming or do you own a Maryland corporation or LLC? And are you wondering what address you should use for your principal office and what person and address you should use for your resident agent? If so, you're not alone because those two positions or those two concepts frequently get mixed up. I'm Katherine Taylor, the lawyer for business owners, and I'm going to explain for you in this video what those two concepts represent, the purposes for those two concepts required by the state. And then in further videos, I'm going to explain what addresses can be used for a principal office and who can serve as a resident agent in the state of Maryland and in most other states in the United States. Okay, so first, in Maryland in most other states, any registered entity is required to have a principal office and a resident agent. Those two people slash addresses are required to be set forth in the initial documents when the entity is formed, and it's required that they be maintained current. So in other words, if one or the other of the addresses change, then the owner of the company has to go in to the state website and make sure that the information on the website is current. So what is the principal office and what is the resident agent? The principal office basically establishes the location in the state where the company primarily does business or manages its affairs. Look at it as the place where you can find the people responsible for running the business. Also, under Maryland law and in some other states, the principal office serves another purpose. Under the court laws relating to where a lawsuit can be filed, for instance, in Maryland, a lawsuit against a registered entity can be filed in the county in which the principal office is located. So that's another thing to think about when you are trying to decide which address is going to be used as the principal office for the company. Okay, so that's the principal office. What's the resident agent? The resident agent really serves a completely different purpose. The main purpose of the resident agent is to accept what is called service of process on behalf of the company if the company is sued in a lawsuit in the state. Service of process basically means the delivery to a person of a summons or a subpoena. In Maryland, the resident agent is required to be a person, but it also can be an entity with an address in the state, and that address is always accessible to the public so that if any person is suing that company, they know who to reach and who to serve a subpoena or summons upon if they can't otherwise find the owners of the company. All right, so that gives you some background as to what the principal office and resident agent roles are. And then, as I said in the next two videos, I'm going to explain what addresses and what people can be used for the principal office and resident agent. Again, if you like this video, please click the like button and please subscribe to our channel so you can get updates as I prepare and post videos on these important subjects. Thank you.